I heard somewhere organizing is like a puzzle, except all the pieces are scattered around the house, especially in a good old Indian house with boxes and plastic packets and all kinds of knickknacks and clothes that belong to the past century. All kept wrapped up for some reason, something I suppose. What if you were to ask yourself, does this spark joy? This is one question that has revolutionized the way millions approach their homes and their lives. Now imagine applying the same philosophy to your investment portfolio. Are you intrigued yet? It's time to dive in then. Welcome to the Compounding Mindset with Axis Mutual Fund, the podcast where we use the power of compounding to improve our lives and our finances. I'm Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And today, we're exploring a concept inspired by a world-famous organizing expert. You might know her method. Hold each item in your hand and ask, does it spark joy? This philosophy has decluttered homes, cleared minds, and sparked intentional living. You see, decluttering is more than just organizing your space. It encourages you to mindfully evaluate each item you own. Instead of it falling down like a packet of cards when you take out one t-shirt from the bottom. Here's how you can do this at home. And I promise you that you can do this at home with no professional supervision required. Start small by sorting items by category, such as clothes or books. Hold each item and pause to reflect on its value in your life. Because the thing is, if it does not serve a purpose or bring a smile to your face, you can thank it and let it go. Then comes the organizing. They say use the vertical folding method to maximize drawer space. But you do you. The point is to designate specific places for your belongings to avoid future clutter. Clutter in your surroundings means clutter in your head. This simple practice of tidying will reduce stress, improve focus, and make your environment more serene. Regularly decluttering ensures your surroundings stay intentional and meaningful, and that sets the stage for more organized and a fulfilled life. Now, what if I tell you that this mindset could also simplify your financial life? There is power in decluttering because it's about more than just being tidy. It's more about mindfulness and purpose. Just think about your financial assets. Over time, just like your cupboard does, it can get cluttered. There can be investments you no longer need or that no longer perform, or even some that are out of trend. For example, shares of companies that are shutting down. So why not apply the same mindset to managing your finances? And whenever you decide that it is time to declutter your portfolio, here's how you can apply this tidy up technique for your investments. Number one, take inventory. It's always a good idea to review all your investments. It's just like sorting through a pile of clothes. Take stock of what you own. Number two, ask the question, just like our organizing expert asks us to check if our physical possessions spark joy within us. You can question each asset you own. Does this align with my financial goal? If it is underperforming or does not fit in your risk profile, maybe it's time to let it go. Number three, streamline. You see, finances can get complicated for the best of us. So what you can do is consolidate similar investments to reduce overlap and complexity. For example, not having too many saving accounts and avoid oversight and overlooking. Number four, keep what adds value. Never run after short-term goals. It's a risk that is never worth the shot. Keep your focus on assets with growth potential and those that align with your long-term vision. These simple steps will reduce your financial clutter in your life. Definitely lower your stress and most importantly, allow your best investments to shine. Just like a neatly organized room. Doesn't that sound quite compelling? I know I feel a lot lighter just thinking about it. Compounding is one of the most transformative forces in finance. Einstein even called it the eighth wonder of the world. And for good reason. It works by reinvesting returns, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. But for compounding to reach its full potential, clarity and focus are essential. Just as a cluttered workspace hampers productivity, a cluttered portfolio can dilute returns and distract from long-term goals. When you remove distractions like unused items in your home, you free up mental bandwidth. By giving your resources a chance to flourish without unnecessary drag, you create an environment where compounding can thrive. Over time, the effects of this focus multiply, turning small intentional changes into significant financial and personal growth. Thanks for tuning in to the Compounding Mindset with Axis Mutual Fund. Remember to regularly reassess, refine, and refocus on what truly sparks joy in you, your home, and your portfolio. If you enjoyed this episode, then don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, keep it intentional. Let your life and investments spark joy. Success isn't about one big leap. It's built with small, consistent steps that compound over time. That's exactly what the Compounding Mindset by Axis Mutual Fund is all about. I am Ashdin Doctor, your host, and each week I'll bring you practical insights that turn everyday habits into powerful growth for your finances and your mindset. New episodes drop every week, so hit subscribe on YouTube and follow us on all your favorite audio platforms. Get ready to start compounding your future one habit at a time. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.